talking to you about what you need in an earthquake safety kit. So first, you're going to need lots of water. You can have big gallons like this one, or you can have lots of little water bottles, or you can have both. This is my family's earthquake safety kit, and we have 2 big gallons of water because each person should have at least 1 gallon of water. So, yeah. So you can use those big tubs of water or lots of water bottles. Okay, next you're going to need canned food or non-perishable food. These foods are important because these are types of foods that will never go bad, and that's really important because you could be trapped for many days, and you're going to need food that won't go bad. So canned pastas, canned soups are really good to have, and the good thing about these non-perishable or canned foods is that they don't take a lot of preparation, and that's really important. So beef jerky is a good example, or like soups that are canned, stuff like that. Okay, next you're going to want a flashlight or a lantern. You can use this type of flashlight that uses batteries, or we also have a crank lantern that you crank it, and after you crank it for a little bit, the light turns on. So these are both good to use. You can use either. Okay. So then next, you're going to want a blanket. The blanket's important in case your house gets destroyed or crumbles. You'll have a safe and warm place to sleep with a blanket, and that's very important. Okay. Next, you're going to want a radio. A radio is really important because you want to be able to signal for help or call for help, and you can see what's going on, like what's happened with the earthquake and stuff like that. We have a crank radio, so it doesn't use batteries, but you can also use a battery one, but either's fine. Okay, here's just some more non-perishable foods. Okay, lastly, you're going to want a first aid kit. First aid kits are really important because let's say you have diabetes, your medications would be in here, or if you have any other type of illness, your medicines would be in this. So inside these safety kits, or first aid kits, you're going to want Band-Aids, anything that a human being would need for basic necessities. So all of these things are really important to be in an earthquake safety kit. They're all very important to survive, and make sure you're prepared for an earthquake.